going to show you the new Dyson V8 Absolute. This is the main part of the vacuum, which I see just works the trigger. There's a trigger there to work it, and at the back comes all the air, and it does happen to come out allergen free, which is really good for me, as dust does tend to set me off a little bit. And obviously it's not just like this, you've got a few other pieces. We have the main long section here, which I get it around. Slot sizes like that, and at the end you can attach various things. So this one here is the one for the carpets, and it goes on the end as well, nice and easily. And there you go, and that goes in the carpets. Also got another section which can go on here, which is for the floors. So you've got wooden floors or stone floors and things. It's nice and soft and won't damage them. And it's actually really good at picking things up. I'm quite impressed with that one. And both of these have got a little, this one here has got a little bit at the side, which you can turn and pull out this section, so you can get all the hairs and things get tangled around off. As you can see, this one's got bits all over it. And you simply get a coin or something, turn this, and it pops outside, and you can take all the hairs and anything around it off, which often happens in the house with small children. I've got other section on this piece here, which is great for using it in the car. And push it up, and then this is nice and soft to brush against things. And this is a normal one, which is good for going behind bookshelves and along little corners and things. Like that one. Now, of course, you don't need to have this section on either. You can take that off and have it just on its own. Perfect for cleaning out the car or for stairs as well. And it's actually light enough that the kids can even use it as well. And the last bit I'll show you just now is, if when you're emptying it, is this little button at the top, this little red bit here. You pull it up and out it falls all out. But don't worry, can easily clean it up again. I should use this one, I think. It also has both a high suction steady run and a maximum suction side. So the vacuum on the maximum suction doesn't last as long, but it does pick up really well. So if you want to give your house a once over, you could do that first, and then next time you use it, use the normal one rather than the max. Okay.
No.
Okay, now we're going to empty some crushed up cereal onto the carpet, and these two are going to show you how easy it is to vacuum it all back up again.
Okay.
Right, on you go. I'm going to spread it a little bit. That's it.
Right, we're doing that. Here.
Right, do you want to get the vacuum?
Wait. So guys, no, vacuum.
Yay! Yay, it's all finished.
No, one more there. That one. Finish.
And now it's full. So we're going to empty it out now, okay? Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner is brilliant. It's definitely the best vacuum cleaner I've ever had. It's really powerful, it's so useful, the kids even love using it, it's just amazing. 5 words to describe the Dyson V8 would be powerful, quick for charging and for using, fun because it's fun to use and the kids love using it. It's lightweight, so it's really easy to move around, and it also is empties very easily. So it's nice and easy just to pull it up and throw it in the bin. So, a brilliant vacuum cleaner.